Today, I want to walk you through the absolute best tools for turning long-form content into usable assets in 2024. I will be covering whether you actually need a dedicated transcription tool, some alternatives you might have missed, and the real differences between meeting assistants and simple transcribers. We are going to look at what truly makes a tool worth your time. And then I will run through my top 3 picks depending on exactly what your setup looks like. There is no fluff here, just the real trade-offs so you can pick the right thing and spend much less time editing and more time creating. The first question you should ask is whether you actually need specialized transcription software at all. Before you go out and buy another subscription, double-check the tools you are already using every single day. Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams already include basic transcription features built right in. If your main goal is just getting a quick text record of a call, those platforms are honestly already doing the job. They might not give you advanced insights or highlight viral moments, but they are great for simple meeting notes. Likewise, a lot of screen recording and webcam apps like Loom or Vidyard now include automatic captions and transcripts. If you are already using those for your workflows, you might save yourself the cost and complexity of a third-party tool. Even major editors like Veed and CapCut offer auto-transcription as part of their standard packages. The moral of the story is to always check inside your current tech stack before adding new expenses. Now, let us clear up 2 things that people mix up all the time, which are transcription software and AI meeting assistants. A standard transcription tool's job is very straightforward, which is simply to convert audio into text. An AI meeting assistant, however, will go much further by recording, transcribing, summarizing, and pulling action items. If you need summaries and follow-ups, go with a meeting assistant. But if you just need raw text or subtitle files, a simple service is fine. But for content creators who need to repurpose long videos into short clips, there is a slightly different question. The real question is whether you need a transcription tool or an AI that can find the best moments and turn them into ready-to-post clips. That is exactly where platforms like Vizard come in, which I will talk about in just a minute. Okay, let us look at what makes a good transcription or repurposing tool, because I evaluate these things every time I test software. First is accuracy, because you need the words to be right for captions, SEO, and repurposing content. Misheard words can change the entire meaning of your content, and names or niche terms are often where tools slip up. Next is speed, because if you are producing daily content, waiting days for an output is a total non-starter. You also want to look for smart AI features like scene detection, speaker labeling, and keyword extraction to save editing time. Value is another huge factor, so consider whether the pricing model is reasonable for how you actually use the tool. Finally, check for editing and export options, like whether you can edit the transcript or publish directly to social media. Alright, let us get into the picks, because I have narrowed down 3 tools I highly recommend: Rev, Descript, and Vizard. First up is Rev, which you should think of as the gold standard for accuracy at a very solid price point. If you need highly reliable transcripts for interviews, legal work, or detailed podcast notes, Rev is one of your best bets. The pros are that it is affordable for the quality it delivers, the turnaround is fast, and the mobile app is great for recording on the go. Their human transcription option still shines when accuracy is absolutely non-negotiable for your project. The downside is that Rev's AI features are quite limited compared to the newer all-in-one platforms. You will not get built-in clip selection or scheduling, so this is better for a record and transcribe workflow rather than an automated pipeline. Next is Descript, which is basically a content creator's Swiss Army knife for audio and video editing. The transcript-centric editor is brilliant because you literally edit the text and the audio and video follow along instantly. It is amazing for long-form projects like podcasts where you want quick cuts, filler word removal, and advanced audio cleanup. Descript also has some really cool creative AI features like voice cloning if you want to experiment with your production. However, keep in mind that transcription accuracy can sometimes lag behind the dedicated services, especially with technical vocabulary. It is superb for in-depth editing, but less great if your primary goal is to pump out dozens of social clips automatically. Finally, my top pick for creators who want to scale their repurposing is Vizard. If your goal is to turn long videos into ready-to-post short clips without living in an editor 24/7, Vizard is built for that. Instead of just handing you a transcript, Vizard finds high engagement moments and automatically creates viral-ready clips for you. Then, it will even auto-schedule them for posting and give you a content calendar to manage everything in one place. The reason Vizard stands out is that it automates the whole repurposing loop from start to finish. Auto-editing viral clips means you do not have to manually scrub an hour-long stream for that one 30-second gem. For creators, this is a game changer because it lets you scale content without hiring an editor or wasting time. Now, to be fair, Vizard is not a replacement for human transcription if you are in a legal or high-stakes academic context. If you need verbatim, court-grade transcripts, stick with Rev's human service for that level of precision. But for creators who need quantity and quality, Vizard solves the biggest bottleneck of finding and publishing clips consistently. In terms of pricing, Rev's model makes sense for occasional work, while Descript is great for deep, long-form audio editing. Vizard's model is focused on saving your time and amplifying your reach, which is really about ROI on your published content. Before I wrap up, a quick shout out to other tools I tested like Sonic's Happy Scribe and Reduct, which are solid but more manual. So, how should you pick the right one for your specific needs? If you need hyper-accurate transcripts for interviews or legal reasons, go with Rev. If you are editing long episodes and want to remove fillers in a transcript-first editor, Descript is the winner. If your main pain point is turning long videos into lots of short, high-engagement clips, Vizard is the answer. For example, a solo podcaster might use Descript to edit the full episode, then bring it into Vizard to extract social clips. A course creator with hours of lectures could use Vizard to find bite-sized lessons automatically, which is massive for discoverability. Wrapping up, there is no single best tool for everyone, as it really depends on whether your bottleneck is accuracy, editing depth, or scale. Personally, I end up using a mix of these depending on the specific project and my goals for the content. If my main goal is growth via short-form social content, Vizard is the one I reach for first every single time. If you found this breakdown useful, please drop a like and subscribe down below and tell me in the comments what your biggest repurposing pain point is. If you have tried any of these tools or have a recommendation I missed, let me know, as I am always testing new workflows. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.